Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure Fabio 1CX. To configure today I'm using Teratem. Go to serial, OK, go to setup, serial port, uh, speed setting is 115200 and COM port is 28. Go to new setting, enter, same login ID is root and password is root. And this is the main menu. We have 6 options here. Go to config menu, option 1 enter. Go to NM configuration, option 3 enter. So here you can see already it is configured because we have only one E1. So by default all two voice channels has been configured on first E1. So default E1. To change the wire mode from 4 wire to 2 wire, just enter. If you want to change individual port, just enter port number. So I want to change port 1 into 2 wire and port 2 into 4 wire. So for port 1, just 1 enter. Here you can say enter channel 1 wire mode. So right now it is in 4 wire, so I want to change it into 2 wire. For 2 wire, 1 enter. So 1 enter. So here you can see input gain. You have to enter input gain. So for input gain, default is 3 2. So 3, it is on 10. So 10 enter, and minus 2, it is an output gain, 1 enter. So 1 enter. Here you can see port 1 is 2 wire and input gain is minus 3, output gain is minus 2. So I want to change port 2 into also 2 wire. For 2 enter, wire mode 1 enter, 10 enter, 1 enter. So now both two voice channels are on 2 wire. If you want to change this port 1 and port 2 into 4 wire at a time, then enter W and 2 enter for 4 wire. Here you can see now I have changed port 1 and port 2 into 4 wire. Now again I am going to change port 2 into 2 wire. For that, it is an individual port, then enter 2. So enter channel to wire mode. So I want to change it into 2 wire. So 1 enter, input gain is 10, 10 is nothing but minus 3 and 1 is nothing but minus 2 on output gain. Here you can see. Okay, then I want to go main menu. For that, B enter. If you want to change the IP address, go to 1 LAN config menu. 1 enter. Here you can see it is with 253 IP address. I'm gonna change it. 1 enter. For changing, enter 1 enter. IP address 192.168.1.10. I'm gonna change it to 10. So now it is changed into 1.10. Then B enter. For telnet we can use this IP address. In E1 configuration, option 2, we can see frame type and CRC. We won't use this one. We can go back, B enter, and go to clock configuration menu, option 4 enter. So here we have clock source internal. So in 1CX we have master and slave. So in master device we have to configure clock source as internal. So here we have configured for internal. If you want to change this master to slave device, then just enter 1. So enter clock on option 2 for record from E1. So 2 enter. Now clock source is from record from E1 for slave device. Right now it is master, so I'm gonna change it back. 1 enter for internal. In quad mode menu, go to option 5. Here you can see quad monitoring mode. So this is in a master mode. If you want to change this master device into slave device, just enter 1. So here you can see for 1 master and for 2 it's a slave. So I want to change this master into slave. Then 2 enter. So now the device is in slave condition. After changing the slave, then go to clock configuration and here change clock source into record from E1, option 2. True enter. So now the master device is converted into slave device. So now again I'm gonna change it into back because this is a master device. After doing this one, just go to main menu and go to system menu, option 4. Go to save configuration, option 2. 2 enter and Y enter. So now the device has been configured, and then go to, after configuration just reboot the device, go to option 5, reboot menu, 1 enter, system reboot, and Y enter. So now the device has been rebooted, and this is the configuration for Fabio 1CX. Thank you.